Next thing I'd like to talk about is antifreeze coolant. Antifreeze coolant is coolant and also a lubricant, and it has two functions. It prevents the engine from freezing. It also prevents the engine from overheating in the hot weather. Very, very important, never to remove your radiator cap when the engine is hot. All radiator caps, almost, have a warning on them, and it'll say, warning, do not open when hot. It can cause severe burns. Be very, very careful that never open the cap when it's hot. You can check it when it's cold, you can remove the cap and bring it up to level, but better off just have a professional take a look at it. We recommend you replace the coolant every 2 years. Completely flush the system and add new coolant.